easy, but really, you've spent your money to come to see Architects. We've all had a really good time. We're about to play the most fun song in the set. And you picked When We Were Young to kick off. That's the shit I did when I was young. I was that fucking guy. It's all good. Is everybody feeling good? Everybody down there feeling safe and happy? That's what I love to fucking hear. Again, I just want to say thank you to the incredible bands that we've had on tour with us. Please put your hands together for Malevolence and Sleep Token. Also, this is the biggest tour we have ever done, the biggest production we have ever done, and I would like to, first of all, I would like to say thank you to everybody that's involved with the rigging of this insane stage and has been doing that all week. Thank you. I love this dude. It's like he's the guy that's been rigging up the stage. He's like, yes, it's me. Yes, it's me. I know you've not seen me, but I'm here. I'm fucking here. And I would also like to say, I wish that was a member of our crew. So I was looking at being like, fucking hell, Johnny, what are you doing up there? I'd also like to say a massive thank you to the members of our crew on this tour. You have been absolutely amazing. We couldn't have done any of this without you. You're so important to us. And I'd also like to say a massive thank you and love you to the crew that have stood by us throughout the pandemic. We had some crew go, I completely understand that, but the ones that have stood by us and been available for this, we cannot thank you enough. You know who you are, we really love you. Thank you so much. Cheers, Glasgow. Thank you. We all had a good time tonight? I said, have we all had a good time tonight? That's what I like to hear. You guys gonna sing this last one as loud as you fucking can? This song's for Craig's dog, Pammy. This song's called Animals.